Hi guys, Levi Clay here, and today, it's time for a bit of a sad video. Don't worry, I am not leaving YouTube, I'm not giving up on anything. It's just the end of an era. I bought this house over 2 years ago, and yeah, we have decided that we wanted to move. We wanted to find something a little bit bigger, something with a little bit more dedicated space for me to do all of the work that I do. So yeah, this is the last day that I have filming in my office slash studio. And this makes me sad. I've been working out of this studio now, like I say, for over 2 years, and had so much fun, and it has grown so much. When I look back to the original videos that I filmed in this studio, I hadn't even decorated it yet. I certainly didn't have any of the gear that I'm now using to record like this. In fact, get a look at this. Please excuse the mess in my studio. This is my new house. New studio is being set up. So we've come an extremely long way, and I say we because it's not just me. I could not have done any of this without your love and support, guys. So thank you so much for watching all of my videos and contributing. Even just by liking and subscribing videos, that's a huge help. But, you know, of course, let's just do it. You know, supporting me on Patreon, that has helped me to grow, to get things to where they are today. Buying things like nice microphones on stands and stuff, allowing me to make my video content better. So yeah, I'll be out of this house in the next few days, and then we go and live with my in-laws for a couple of weeks before we move into our new house. And then comes the real project, building a new studio. I have a dedicated garage space that's currently a workshop at the back of the property that is being converted into a studio. I'm going to have someone in to do soundproofing and acoustic treatment on it, and yeah, it should be a proper studio. You know, I have to say, this studio looks good, but it doesn't sound good. There's no acoustic treatment in this room whatsoever. You've got the hard walls, the hard floors. It's very echoey in here, and it's not ideal for recording voices. It's not ideal for really doing anything other than looking good. And then, of course, I come in and ruin that with my face, right? So we should have something that looks a lot better and sounds a lot better. And again, reiterating that point, it's we. You have followed me on this journey, and I appreciate it. The last few years have been absolutely incredible and humbling, and I've thoroughly enjoyed myself making educational videos and rage time videos, transcription videos, also launching the Guitar Souls podcast, which is doing fine. You know, that's provided some sort of outlet for myself and Mike, one of my best pals, to make content and bring you things that you guys hopefully enjoy. So here's to many more years of that. But I will be taking on board comments and suggestions, and of course requests. I'm planning on doing lots of videos of kind of update blogs and vlogs on the progress of building that studio. So if anyone's interested in how that happens, what the process is for that, and you know, you want to see progress pictures of it happening, you know, let me know. It's something I would like to do, but if no one wants to see it, then why bother making it? I've just looked and it looks so empty without the guitars on the wall behind me, right? But don't worry, like I say, we will. Everything will be back to normal. I filmed a bunch of videos, so it's not like I'm going anywhere. I'll still be doing my live streams. I'll make it work, guys. I'll make it work because I have to make it work, because I owe it to you awesome people. So one last time, thank you very much to my supporters over on patreon.com. You make a process like this a whole lot easier, and yeah, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, you take a lot of stress out of my life, so thank you so much. And if you would like to check me out on Patreon, you can do so by clicking this button up here, subscribe by clicking this button down here, check out 2 more of my videos here and here. Not going away, guys, never going away. Love making content for you guys far too much. Yeah, stay tuned for lots more videos, and yeah, keep in touch. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that stuff. I'm always there, always happy to engage, because I love you guys. So see you soon.